All right, circle graphs. So same as before, we're going to learn to read and interpret them and how to make them. And same people use these. Its graphical display is used to show what fraction of the whole of some quantity is represented by its parts. It's kind of like a pie. It's also known as a pie graph. Shape that represents a percentage of the whole, and the shape represents 100% of the whole. So here we have a number of questions on a comprehensive welding exam. Let's make this a little smaller. All right. Now, here we have gouging applications 8%, cutting 22%, quality control 16%, occupational 24%, and welding 30%. What percentage of the exam dealt with cutting? 22%. Which topic was asked the least? Well, that would be 8%, gouging applications. So when drawing a circle graph, the first thing we want to do is determine what angle measure to use for each sector. To do this, we are going to take each percentage and multiply it by 360. All right? Because there's 360 degrees in a circle. Once we have figured out our angle measures, we'll use a protractor to draw out each of the sectors on our circle. Lastly, we're going to color each of the sectors a different color and label them. So, create a circle graph that displays the given data shown. All right, so we have transmission, tune-up, front-end, diagnostics, exhaust. All these percentages. Okay. So what we would do is multiply each of these by 360. All right, so 65%, you can see what 65% would give us here. Tune-up is 15%, front-end is 10%, diagnostics 5%, and exhaust 5%. So if we did 65% as a decimal, 0.65 times 360, we get 234, which means we'd have to do 234 degrees. Now an easy way to do that is half a circle is 180. So if you take 180 from 234, that just leaves 54. So you first just cut it in half, and then add a 54-degree section onto here. And that gives you your 234. And then for 15%, we just take 0.15 times 360, and that's 54. So actually, this piece right here is equal to this piece right here, tacked onto the 180. And 10% of 360 is, 36. So you do a little 36-degree angle here. And then 5% would be half that, so 18 and 18. And that would give you your full circle. And that's it.